Tired of your outdated kitchen but don't want the mess of renovation? No demolition, no dust, just smart tilling. Over time, backsplashes turn yellow, surfaces crack, and grout lines get grimy. These issues ruin your kitchen's look, and cleaning becomes a nightmare. All you need is lightweight wall tiles, high adhesion tile adhesive, spacers, and grout. Choose designs that match your style: marble look, handmade glaze, or classic white. Apply tile adhesive directly onto the old backsplash. Use a notched trowel to spread the adhesive evenly in straight lines. Then press each tile firmly into place, ensuring strong contact. Place tile spacers between tiles to keep all the joints evenly spaced. Once the adhesive is dry and the tiles are secure, gently press grout into the gaps between the tiles. Then smooth over the surface in a diagonal motion to remove any excess. Make sure the lines are clean and consistent for a polished finish. Finally, use a damp sponge to gently clean the tile surface. Wipe away any residue for a smooth, spotless finish. This creates a fresh, modern kitchen, clean, bright, and updated, all without demolition or heavy labor. Want a fresh kitchen without the stress? Start with tile and top, your shortcut to a smarter space.